shece salamu alaikum. Me kake zaka mu mutane kan yau idin da ya kake ji ko ya kake jin jikinka?
Na ji idi sama assalam to isim unique Apache sife say kina amina. Amali wa misi kudia go future. Na party sama I when sick there. Ama we do some more life ni. Ma sing with me Shackles sing me.
What's your name and where you are coming from?
My name is Shackles, coming from Atempa.
Wow, thank you. Haji, what do you have to tell the people about this morning?
What I want to tell the people of this country is that today is a great day for all Muslims and Ghanaians in general. So we need to embrace it and try to, whatever it is, the attitude that we are harboring, we need to change our attitude and see to the development of the Muslim community and the country at large. MashaAllah, God will do everything, but all of us should be one.
What's your name and where you are coming from?
My name is Muhammad Sulaiman. I'm come from Kotobabi, New Town, and I'm grateful that you have given me the opportunity to express myself. I thank you all very much, and may God bless Ghana and bless Muslims all together. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, jama'a. To Mr. Malik kenan muka fira da shi yake gwada mu irin jin daɗin da yake yi da kuma ya ba mu advice daban-daban mu yuci mu da sauran mutanen mu yan zango. Jama'a Allah ya saka, Allah ba mu sa'a da rabu mun gode jama'a.
Oxi, acho muito. السلام عليكم